Come test drive the 2023 Toyota bZ4X. The Toyota bZ4X provides good range, a quiet ride, and plenty of zip when you need it. Couple that with quality technology, and you have yourself a fun yet practical family SUV. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.